What is a grievance procedure for advocating for services? Imagine you're trying to get the right support for a student with a disability, but things aren't going smoothly. You might wonder what steps to take next. That's where a grievance procedure comes into play. It is a formal process designed to help families, students, or advocates address concerns about special education services. When parents feel that the school isn't providing the required services or is breaking laws related to disability rights, this process helps find a solution. It mainly covers issues about identifying, evaluating, placing, or providing a free appropriate public education to students with disabilities. The process starts with trying to solve the problem informally. This means talking directly with school staff or district officials to clear up misunderstandings. If talking doesn't work, the next step is filing a written complaint. This complaint should include details about what went wrong and how the school failed to follow laws. It must be signed and sent to the local or state education agency. Once the complaint is received, the agency investigates the issue. They review documents, interview involved people, and check if the school followed legal rules. If the problem isn't resolved through informal talks or investigation, the next step is mediation. Mediation involves a neutral third party who helps both sides reach an agreement. It is usually faster, less formal, and free. If mediation doesn't work, a formal hearing called a due process hearing can be requested. This is a legal proceeding where an impartial hearing officer reviews all evidence and makes a binding decision. After the hearing, if someone is still unhappy with the outcome, they can appeal to higher authorities or even pursue legal action. Sometimes, complaints about discrimination can be filed with civil rights offices. For families and advocates, understanding this process is key. It helps them act quickly if services are denied or not enough. Keeping records of meetings, emails, and services is very helpful when filing complaints or preparing for hearings. Families can also reach out to special education directors, local advocacy groups, or parent training centers for guidance. The grievance procedure is an important tool that ensures students with disabilities get the services they are entitled to by law. It provides a clear way to raise concerns and work toward fair solutions, encouraging collaboration between families and schools.